This is not a concept car. This is the world's first robo-taxi, and it's come to pick me up. Completely driverless. Look, this is the front, but this is also the front. Open doors, ready? Check this out. Look, no driver. As you can see, you've got 4 seats facing each other. It was inspired by a 19th century horse carriage. Who would have thunk it, right? Right, how does it work? Right here, check this out. Radar technology, LiDAR, cameras, thermal imaging. This is a Zoox, and I've just hailed it from an app. 10 years of research and development has gone into this, and it's going to be rolled out on public roads really soon. I'm actually driving on a public road today with this. Now, what you've got is, for each passenger, wireless phone charger, you've got a cup holder, USB-C port. Okay, use the touchscreen to close the doors. Let's go. Here we go. So this is just like any other ride-hailing service, but with no driver, which means you don't have to put up with like some angry driver in the front that completely ruins your day. Oh, here we go. Now up here, you can see, this is called the Celestial Headliner. So you've got lights in the roof, which you know I love. Now safety, they've redesigned all of the airbags because of course this is a whole new cabin. Airbags come down from here, boom, from the side, from the back, everywhere. You are encompassed by airbags if needed. This is a camera, and that connects to a real human who can watch you just for your safety, right? If something happens to you, they can make sure you're safe. Look, driving next to a truck right now. Here we are in like a lounge room. There's no angry driver you need to worry about. You're here with your mates. Chuck on some tunes, go out. Love it. I actually think it's cool. It's the future. Future's here. What do you reckon?
Здравствуйте. Идите мне, пожалуйста. Оплата будет картой? Оплата картой. Прикольно. У меня птичка новый пойдет. Оплата просто успех, да? Хорошего вам дня. Хотя реально она как будто не молодец. Добрый день. Check this out. We've got a proper robot, and we could ask the questions. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Alison. I'm a human
robots are gonna take over the future?
AI and robots are likely to radically transform jobs in the next decades. Instead of eliminating jobs, humans will collaborate with robots and they will learn new skills like coding and cloud computing.
What's your favorite car?
I live in the UAE, so the Arabian Oryx is definitely my favorite.
How old are you?
I was created in 2022, and since then, the Museum of the Future has been my home.
What's your favorite color?
Since I am made mostly of metal, silver is my favorite color. I also like blue as it is the color of my eyes.
Very good answer, Annika. Okay guys, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll see if I can ask her.
我们的机器人员工已经开始量产了。
可以控制。